Misalignment issues can wreak havoc, stop operations cold, and put high-value equipment at risk. And without full system visibility, finding the root cause can feel like guesswork. TrakVue 2.0 changes that. Powered by Mechanical Solutions' advanced machine vision technology, TrakVue 2.0 delivers a complete, dynamic view of your system, allowing you to precisely monitor, track, and measure positional shifts caused by thermal growth, load redistribution, and pressure changes as they happen. With minimal setup, check a machine's hot alignment to verify that cold offsets are correct. With 2 native recording modes, TrakVue 2.0 captures everything from rapid, transient motion to slow, gradual position changes, all in one platform. Advanced tracking, high-precision measurement data, customizable videos, and auto-generated reports come together in a streamlined workflow, giving reliability and maintenance engineers the insights they need exactly when they need them. Equip yourself with the latest weapon in MSI's vision-based arsenal, TrakVue 2.0.